been to use the 36 millimeter. You can get them on Amazon. It's a 6-point 36 millimeter. So this fits perfectly on top. You can remove it, put it on. Use this. You could also use esta funciona también. You could also use something like this. I think it's even harder. I think with these, I think it's better if you do this. Just make sure you're gentle with it. I mean, it's plastic. BMW likes to use plastic. So you do something like that. Make sure it's nice. Grab a hold of it nicely, and then just kind of gently turn. And I like to do kind of like up in here. I have the tool, I just can't find it. I don't know where it is. Just go like that, and then just loosen it. You're gonna loosen it little by little. Just want the oil to drain down to the pan, so we get as much as we can so the oil out. Go. So underneath the car, it's a 17. It's kind of by the passenger side. I guess the middle part of it, it's right here. And the flashlight, I'll get some light. Number 17. All right. Get it in there.
That's too much.
This time, make sure.
I crave your silhouette.
Man's filter comes with a new O-ring and a new little. It's for your drain bolt. And a new little washer on there. Take out the old one. Grab the new one from here. El 10. Veo el 10. Yes. Un desarmador. Oh no, ya no. Espérate, ahorita te digo. No, ya no. Hello. This was original too. I think it was original. It has the BMW logo on there. Yeah, hello. So replace it with the OEM one. Always like to look at make sure they're the same part. Yep, same part. You can tell they shaved off the BMW logo, but it's the same one. Like, they shaved it off, and then they shaved off the dealer number in the bottom, if you can tell. That's crazy. It's the same, it's a BMW one, but they just shaved off the BMW. Bought it at FCP Euro, if you guys are interested. Lifetime warranty. All right, so now we're gonna kind of get a little bit of oil. You can get some silicone grease as well, either one, but you want to lube up that O-ring so it can seal properly. So we'll just grab a little bit of this old oil. Grab a little bit just to kind of seal it. So it can seal better. One second. that we finished, drain the oil, put the drain plug back on. Now we can remove the oil filter. Okay. So you can use a screwdriver, preferably a pick. So we'll remove the O-ring off the canister. Well, little seals on here, which I have on hand. Let's see if I can get it. Got them from FCP Euro. Canister. Take this holding off. Just pull on it. Shake it a little bit side to side. We'll put it in with the canister. Put the new one in there. It's nice and seated. Go. Do it by hand first. We don't want to cross thread it. Seated. Clean up if there's anything to clean up that shouldn't be. So we're super careful with everything. I'll put up the capacity. It's about 6 and so. What you want to use is kind of a European formula. The car says 5W30. So the car says 5W30, which is what I'm using, as long as it's A3B4. Now, BMW no longer carries 5W30, but they do carry a 0W30. Now, I wouldn't recommend 0W30 for your car. Maybe if you're in a colder climate, that might. The reason they don't carry 5W30, I don't know why. I'm guessing because a lot of the engines now use thinner oil for, like, if you have turbocharge or those things. So they now carry 0W30, but I would recommend 5W30 A3B4, and it takes about, I'd say 7 quarts, maybe a little less, but around there. That's what I would buy. I'm also adding anti-friction engine treatment. yet, but you can kind of see dripping on the second one, bulging up.